Hello, it's Dana. How are you today? I hope you're well. I am here to highlight the doTERRA Family Essentials Kit. And I want to do that because I find myself talking to a lot of new people on our team and I keep repeating the same things over and over and over again. So I'm like, I'm going to make a video. So when you join doTERRA, they ask you to either purchase a kit to enroll. It's kind of like Costco, or pay a $35 fee. And so I always encourage people to do this kit, and it's not that expensive. It's really not. It's like $150, but I'm going to highlight it for you so you understand what you're getting. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this little box, and it's incredible, and it has 10 oils. Plus it has these little beadlets, and I'm going to try to do this within 10 minutes, okay? The reason why I recommend this kit is because it has all these teeny tiny little 5 milliliters, and you get a sample of everything. It's like the sampler platter, and you don't get overwhelmed. And so I'm going to show you how to use every single one of these oils, okay? So here we go. So the first one is Breathe, okay? Breathe, I use every single day, and I'm not kidding, sometimes twice a day. I put it on my pinky finger pretty much the minute I wake up. Before I meditate, I do all my oils before I meditate. You can put it in your finger and just right up your nose, and it clears out the sinus passages. You can also rub it on your chest. I wouldn't get it near your face. And you can also diffuse it. So when my kids start to get a little cold or something, I usually put Breathe, Dawnguard, and Deep Blue in the diffusers. But Breathe is really, really helpful. They also make a stick, which is really nice, like I think I have it. I do. It's like a little stick, and it's really nice. Remember Vicks Vapor Rub? It's like that. This is like Vicks Vapor Rub, but just don't rub it all over the place. Breathe is amazing. Okay. The next one is Melaleuca. So Melaleuca is just like tea tree oil, okay? It works on everything. Cuts, scrapes. It works in your hair. You can diffuse it. I personally am not a huge fan of the smell, but I know some people that absolutely love it. So try it. I've mixed it with lemon, and I like it that way. It doesn't smell so bad. It's awesome for lice. If you mix Melaleuca with, I think, rosemary, lavender, eucalyptus, maybe peppermint, all those oils, just stick it in your shampoo and it will get rid of lice. We've had lice in our house before a couple years ago, and it was awful. It was awful because me and my daughters, we all have a ton of hair, and it took forever to get rid of it. But this was the one thing that helped. I have these little bites that I got from when I was in San Francisco. There were mosquitoes, unbelievable. And so I have these little bites, and so I just stick Melaleuca on there, and they don't itch. Not only do they not itch, but they go away quickly. So this is like if you're going on a trip somewhere and there's bugs, take Melaleuca with you, okay? So fun. Lemon. Okay, so I love lemon. I put it in my water 3-4 times a day. I actually have a whole citrus kit that I carry around all day because sometimes lemon gets boring, and so I do grapefruit and lime instead. But the lemon is really great for inflammation. And so you can put it in your water, you can put it in your juice, you can put it in your smoothie. I've been diffusing it lately, and I really like the way it smells. I'm mixing it with rosemary and this other blend called Purify, and I'm digging it big time. Lemon it's essential. And you can have, you can actually use it like instead of a tea bag. So if you want lemon tea, just boil some water and put like 2 little drops of this in it, and you have like way better than a tea bag. I'm not kidding you. It's incredible. Digest Zen. Same thing. I use this sometimes if I have a stomach ache or I'm traveling, hot water. But I love licorice. This tastes like licorice, so be mindful of that. If you don't like licorice, you're not going to like Digest Zen. It's good, amazing for digestion, obviously. You can put a drop of it on your thumb and then stick your thumb on the roof of your mouth for 20 seconds. It'll go right into your bloodstream. You can also take it like this. Don't let it touch your tongue. And just let it drop, go right onto your tongue. You can also rub it on your belly, which always feels nice. I think I just like to rub my belly sometimes. It makes me feel like I'm a kid. You can put it on your food. So my friend Nancy actually puts this on her food. And I think it's amazing. You have to like licorice. If you don't like licorice, you ain't gonna like it. Lavender. Lavender is really good for the nervous system. I particularly am not a huge fan. I'm just not. And it's okay. But I do have a spray bottle next to my bed. And I have it filled with lavender. And I spray my pillows. I put it on the bottoms of my feet because it's really, really good for the nervous system, to calm the nervous system down. And I put it at the back of my neck. So lavender's sweet. Lavender takes away fever too. So you can make lavender ice socks. So you put, like if your kids have a fever, I used to do this with Bella all the time, socks with really cold water or like stored in the freezer. And then you put lavender in there and it pulls the fever out. So lavender's pretty awesome. And the kids seem to love lavender. Lavender and wild orange, kids go crazy. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. All right, what is this? Frankincense. Okay, if you buy any oil at all, this is the oil. This is the king of oils, for real. And I know people say to me all the time, oh my God, it's so expensive. So is healthcare. You know, I mean, this is everything. This is cellular regeneration. This is wounds. This is everything right here. I put this in my mouth every day. I put it on my chest, my heart every day. I use it in meditation, put it on my third eye. Frankincense is everything. I don't diffuse it, although some people do, but it's a beautiful oil, and it is a staple for sure. And it's good. It's healthcare. Frankincense is pretty epic. You can drink it, you can bathe in it. It's expensive to bathe in though. On Guard. So On Guard, just trust me on this. This will keep you healthy throughout any season. On Guard is for immunity. And Doterra's got this really great line of On Guard products that here's one, I just got it. The mouthwash. Oh my God, I love it so much. But the On Guard, it helps with immunity. So they also sell it in the little beadlets. And the beadlets are teeny tiny, like little dust mites, they look like. They're so small. Look at that. And then you can chew it, or you can pop it in your mouth and swallow it. I can't get it back in. And it just helps you stay healthy. They have cough drops. It's incredible. Diffuse. It smells like Christmas. You can cook with it. I mean, it's incredible. On Guard is the best. They have soap. I use the soap. I use the hand soap. I put it on my toothbrush in the morning with my toothpaste and my teeth. My dentist is like, what are you doing to your teeth? I said, it's On Guard. It's crazy. Peppermint. Peppermint. Oh, my mouth's on fire. It tastes so good. It's like clove and cinnamon. Peppermint is really good for a lot of things. Just don't get it near your eyes, please. Please, please, please. Peppermint's really good in the shampoo. It's good for belly, for indigestion. It's good for breath. So they also make beadlets. And so I've been using that just before I teach. I'll pop that in my mouth. I used to love chewing gum, but that gives me a stomach ache now. So I use the beadlets, and it's pretty awesome. Peppermint is a staple. And again, you can make tea with this. So just hot water, 2-3 drops. Oh my God, best ever. Hot chocolate. Oh my God. Put it in your hot chocolate. Raw cacao, peppermint, yum. Yes. I'm going to go make one of those when I'm done with this. Oregano. Okay, so here's the deal with oregano. It's really strong. Be super duper mindful. Okay, don't, like you open it, it's going to drip. It's going to get on your finger. Don't rub your eye. As soon as you use oregano, you want to wash your hands. It's really strong. It's like an antibiotic though. So if you start to get sick or you're feeling under the weather, use those veggie caps that I told you about. Where are they? Here they are. Put some oregano in there. Fill it like 3/4 of the way. Pop that sucker in your mouth. Don't put the oregano in your mouth unless you really like it. Some people love it. Me, it just burns my mouth so bad. I have to be really sick to be able to put oregano in my mouth. Put it in the veggie cup. Take it like an antibiotic. Now, I'm not telling you not to take your antibiotics, okay? I'm not telling you that. So don't go to your doctor and say, Dana told me to not take my antibiotic. I'm going to take oregano instead. Don't do that, because that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying you can use this as a supplement, okay? That's what I'm saying. Just make sure you understand. Okay. Deep blue. Deep blue is like the best muscle fixer-upper ever on the planet. I love this stuff. I've put a couple of drops in my bathtub, 2 drops in my whole bathtub, and I've been fine. Diffuse. Sometimes if I get like a really bad pain in my neck or something, I'll put like a drop. They also, though, make, this stuff is gold, deep blue rub. So good. So good. You need like literally the teeny tiny little bit, and it goes so long. But they make it in the oil, and it's a childproof cap because it's very strong. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So that's what you get in that pack for $150. And then you have this opportunity to like try all these oils and say, oh my God, I love them. And then you're like, oh my God, I'm all out of lemon. I better order some lemon. And you're like, oh my God, I need Dawnguard. And that's what happens. That's how this happens. It becomes this beautiful way of living. Instead of reaching for meds, you're reaching for oils. And I consistently know I'm putting something good in my body. So I don't even worry about it ever. So that's the Family Essentials Kit. Let me know if you need any support around this. If you want to order, you can certainly go on my site and order, but my invitation to you is to let me order for you and get you hooked up with your membership, because I'll put you in our team and you'll get all these special little gifts that I like to give away. So I think that's it. I went a little over 10 minutes. I try, I really do, but fairies have a hard time telling time. Thanks a lot, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. If you want to get a hold of me, direct message me here at Instagram, on Facebook, or you can email me at dana@danademara.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See you soon.